Shibing County, located at the Qingshui River Basin in southwest China's Guizhou province, is one of the birthplaces of the Miao ethnic people's canoe dragon boat. The Canoe Dragon Boat Festival is also a local folk sports event with a long history, which is very popular among local people. Recently, this year's Dragon Boat Festival came to a successful conclusion on the banks of the Wuyang River of Shibing County. This year's Dragon Boat race was attended by more than 2,500 participants, mainly from local teams, as well as teams from Hong Kong and Macau Canoe Club.
Guizhou organized this large event. I'm very appreciated, and also can promote the student or the youngster and participate the traditional dragon boat race. Sport culture is very important. They learn so many things from the Guizhou, and also Guizhou, the athletes also communicate with the Hong Kong, the athletes, they exchange their experience.
After fierce competition, the team from Macau Canoe Club won the canoe championship. The leader of the Macau Canoe Club said that dragon boat culture is a part of Chinese civilization, which can not only promote exchanges between Hong Kong, Macau, and the mainland, but also promote the development of local tourism economy.
龙舟文化首先是中国人的文化，长期的文化，要推广龙舟的文化，推广经济、旅游，其实非常好的。今天的准备的情况就比较好，因为我们的队员都去过3次过练習，應該都比較信心貴州龍舟節。這麼大對港澳應該是有一定嘅幫助同經濟，因為龍舟嘅文化是中國嘅文化。我們說在有中國人嘅地方就有龍舟，同埋貴州那邊嘅旅遊地方非常漂亮，人非常好，食物非常多，美味。我都會去跟我們港澳嘅朋友推廣貴州這個地方發展，可以發展嘅旅遊事業。